Alrighty, we are now at section 3, adding content to our websites. This is where it gets fun. Alrighty, let's get right into this. Now, adding content, posts are what, that's the name for the content that you add to your site, and really anything fits under the post category. You can put all sorts of things into the post section. Now, let's assume for right now that you like the look of your blog. You have done your basic things and it looks okay, and so now let's put some content on it. Okay, you go into your dashboard and then you go into the little post box, and if this isn't already showing up, you click the little downward arrow. Now, before you actually add your posts, I think it's a good idea to add some categories, because this is what organizes your site. Now, what's so wonderful with WordPress is it does all this automatically for you. You do not have to do any linking. You just come up with the categories, and then I'll show you when we add our content, you just click whatever category you want and it automatically organizes it under that. Now, these are some of the topics that we're going to be talking about on the website that I'm creating: the Bible, discipleship, God, Jesus, and prayer. So all you have to do is you just type that in, and then you hit add new category, and that's all there is to that. You can also add them as you go, but I like to have a few in place to start out with. So we've created the categories, and then one other thing you want to do, it's just a silly little thing, but it kind of, I like to keep things tidy, is when you go into your posts, you can click on edit post, and the only one that is there is the hello world that WordPress put in just to show you where it's placed and stuff like that. Just move it to the trash. Just get rid of it. You don't need that. You don't want that there, so just get rid of it. Okay, now to post an entry, it is so easy to do. You put in your post, your add new post, you just add new, and then the easiest way to do it, in another one of these videos I'll show you a more complex way, but the easiest way is you just put add new, the box comes up, you type in the title, then right in the box down here, it looks just like a word processing box, just start typing. Just type in whatever content you want. You just do a return for a space, whatever, just type in your content. Then over here are your categories after you've finished. For example, this first one that I put in is what people are asking about God. So I just click God, and then you hit this blue button right here that says publish, and ta-da! Go back to your front page, and you are now a blogger. That is all there is to that. If I did not teach you how to do anything else, you've got it. If you did nothing else, you would be a blogger, a website creator. You would be sharing your message with the world. And really, let me just go back here again. That is really all you have to learn to do. If you didn't do one other thing, you'd have a good-looking website, you'd have a good-looking blog. Anytime you wanted, you just go in here, you create your content, you put it in a category. Down here it says you can add more categories if you want to add additional ones. WordPress will automatically just show 10 per page. It will show the recent posts. It will have archives by the months. It will have your categories. If people want to see everything that you wrote, for example, about God, they just click on that. That would come up, on Jesus, whatever. And again, I can't emphasize enough, that is all you need to do. If you want to stop right here, you've got it. That's it. Now, and you're sharing your message with the world. With posterity, with your kids, with your grandkids, with your church, with everything else. That's all you need to do. Now, there's lots more that we can do, and I'll show you how to do that, not only today, but in some coming videos. But if you want to stop right there, you are now a website creator. You are a blogger.